My name is Judy Bartell, and I am the leader of the Social Science Department. I've taught at Hill Murray for 28 years, and I'm very proud to say that. The Social Science Department's goal is to prepare your student for college, career, and community. We start in sixth grade with a study of Minnesota history. In seventh grade, we study American history from a European contact through Reconstruction. And in eighth grade, we study modern history from the Industrial Revolution to the present. In ninth grade, we do not have a required course, but students have the opportunity to take geography or sociology. In 10th grade, we have world history, which is taught at the regular level or the honors level. Junior year is American history, where we study in the regular format, or students can apply to take a college in the schools course, which will allow them to earn college credit. Senior year, students take political science one semester and economics in the second semester. This is also offered at the college in the schools level. We offer several electives. Psychology is an intro course which studies the basic human and animal behavior. Human behavior is a course which studies why people do what they do. We have an elective titled Global Conflicts, which looks at 20th century conflicts that the United States has been involved with throughout the world. We believe that in the social science department, our job is to teach your kids how to think. This will prepare them for college, for career, and to be productive members of their community. Thank you.